This is what brand new BBS LMs look like. So we have a machine lip with a painted silver edge, painted face, and this is a two-piece design. So we have the bolts in the front and the nuts are in the back. The threads are not in the barrel. And this is a new wheel from BBS, so this is what their factory silver looks like. 10.5 by 18 ET65. And this wheel did come with new center caps and valve stems as well as BBS branded wheel bolts. So we'll see that the barrel is painted and we could still see some of the machining lines in it, which is really cool. These usually go away when you paint them. And a little silver lip is pretty cool. You don't really see that when you refinish them either. So taking a look at the back, we do have some stickers. These are from BBS Japan. And we'll also see the BBS Forge sticker. If we zoom in really close, you can see some of the machining lines as well inside the barrel, which is really nice. Of course, the whole thing is painted silver over. Got the hub, which is just raw machined. And we got the bolts in the back to hold the face to the barrel. And here's a refinished BBS LM. So we'll see it has the brushed face and the polished lip. It's also a two-piece design. Here are the bolts. The bolts are slightly different on these. This is an older wheel. These are from 2018. These are much older than that. So we'll see these being rear wheels have a slightly larger lip than these. These are only 8.5. These are 10.5. Here's a little close-up of the bolts. These are newer style bolts. Here are the older style bolts. We'll see the lettering is slightly different. And these are nickel plated. Another small detail to notice is how the valve stem hole is also painted silver. So you see there's the same silver paint on the lip as in there, and the lip is machined. You can see the machining lines and the whole thing is clear coated. Really nicely done. And we can see that the center cap is mounted in here and lies flush in this recessed hole. So it'll look just like that when it's in there. So that is what a brand new BBS LM looks like. Even the boxes are super, super nice. Even the packaging is actually really, really nice. It comes with this nice wheel cover that stretches over. And on top of that, you got some bubble wrap that goes over it. And to finish it off, you do have a cardboard piece that goes on top to protect the face of the wheel, and it slots in on all four corners. The box lines up really nice. Really well done.